guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video we are going to be going through my top favorite 4 Yeezys. I am a huge Yeezy fan and I literally love to see what's coming out next. So in honor of today's event, I'm wearing this Adidas t-shirt, and this is like one of my favorite tops I have ever bought. I think I bought this like 10 years ago in Brighton. I'm just gonna get up quickly to show you. So it's like a vintagey like Adidas with the original logo. I literally love it, and I thought this is like perfect for this video. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and check out all my other latest videos. So we have the Yeezy 350s V2 in black and red. It's got the Supply 350 logo on the outer side of the shoe, and we've kind of got this red dash lining. I feel like black and red, the red combination is just like OG, like you literally can't beat it. Like the colours contrast so well. These are just such a timeless classic. So these came out last year, December 2020, and this is in the version 2. You know, they've upped their game. You've got this prime knit, which is actually made out of like ocean plastic. So the quality on these are really good. So, you know, you don't have any problems with like normal kind of wear and tear of normal shoes, but obviously I guess, you know, you're paying a price for it. These also have the Boost technology, so super comfy shoes. And these were the first, I remember just seeing this lacing and I was just literally like, that's crazy. But these shoes are excellent to just like slip on, slip off, and these are like an everyday kind of pair. Like this colorway, especially like the black, you can literally wear with anything. I see people wearing these in the gym all the time. And another amazing thing about these shoes, like I feel like if you're interested in buying your first pair of Yeezys, this silhouette is like an amazing silhouette. There is so many different types of colorways in this shoe, so I feel like there is a colorway out there for everyone. And on the soles, you've obviously got the Boost technology, and I feel like this silhouette is like the populous silhouette of all the Yeezys, because I feel like it's a nice chunky shoe, but you know, it's not too crazy. So I feel like, you know, a lot of people will go for these. Also, if you didn't want to kind of buy resale on these, I feel like Adidas Yeezy will probably, don't take my word for it as I don't work for them, but probably in the near future, I bet they will be dropping more of these, not in this colorway, but they keep adapting the Yeezy 350s. So I feel like if you were looking to get a pair and you didn't want to pay resale, then probably just wait a little bit and I bet a colorway will drop soon. Pricing wise, you're looking around 300 for these. As I said, if you don't want to pay resale, I would just wait my time. But if you wanted this exact colorway, I feel like you're looking around the £300 mark. And so again, it is almost like double, which is a bit annoying, but that's the resale life. So overall, I feel like this is a must-have essential shoe for your trainer collection. So comfortable. Sizing wise, always go a 0.5 size bigger. Adidas in general come up small. It doesn't matter if they're Yeezys or Adidas, I always get at least a 0.5 size bigger. So for me, I got a 7.5 when usually like I'm a 7 in Nikes, Dunks, Jordans, all of that. Vans, Converse, I'm a size 7. But for Adidas Yeezys, always get a 0.5 size bigger at least. I have such great nostalgia with these shoes because this silhouette, not this colorway, I got in 2016, the one with the white stripe, and I actually sold them because it was when I first like got into reselling shoes, and I was like, wow, like I can double, like I can sell these for double the price, like I can make £150 profit. And I really regret doing that, but it just takes me back to those times like when I first saw these shoes and I literally loved them. And I feel like every colorway, like every design I've seen, I literally love. Even if I'm not too keen on the colorway, like I feel like because of the silhouette, because of how amazing the silhouette is, like I could get used to it if, you know, if I had them. So next is my Yeezy 500s. I actually got these in the colorway Super Moon Yellow Desert Rat. So they're kind of like a yellowy cream. I have got like a little stain that I need to clean on one of them. So I picked these up back in 2018. I wanted a crazy color. I feel like with these kind of shoes, I don't usually like get in like the plain colors. So I went for, yeah, the yellow pair. So these are kind of hard to wear with a lot of clothes, so I don't really wear them that much compared to the other trainers, but I'm in love with this silhouette. I feel like these are one of the first silhouettes that came out from Adidas Yeezy, that kind of, you know, made everyone be like, what the hell is that? They are so chunky, and I feel like the design is just different, like it stands out from any other shoe. I feel like now, like, you get a lot of copies of this, like Adidas make their own kind of version of it, but I just feel like this honestly is just one of my favorite shoes. So obviously on the side you've got like mesh and synthetic and suede, so you've got a lot of different, you know, materials going on there. Also, excuse how dirty these are, but the sole as well is really nice. And the lacing is so simple. As you can see, there's actually not many lace holes. I think, there's only 2 lace holes. And that is what I really like with these Yeezy shoes. I feel like they're so easy to slip on and slip off, kind of adding to the comfortability of them. These actually don't have the boost technology. These are adiprene. So you see adiprene in a lot of like normal Adidas shoes. Super comfy though, nonetheless. So you've got a padded tongue, and then you've actually got elasticated bands there for the tongue, if you can see that, which would explain, you know, the 3 holes, not many holes. Another cool feature, I don't know if you can see here, but this lining here is actually reflective, so if you're like in UV dark, they'll glow in the dark, which is a really cool feature. These shoes, I haven't seen many colorways. I don't think they've dropped in a while. As I said, I got them in 2018. They do a blush pair. I'll put some pictures up here, and they do a black pair, and I'm not sure if they do another colour, but I'll put the pictures up here for you guys anyway. I feel like if I got the black pair, I'd perhaps wear them a lot more. Because of this colour, I don't really wear them as much, because obviously it's harder to find outfits that match with this colour. But I have no regrets buying this colour at all. I feel like they are kind of like my standout Yeezy pair. In terms of comfortability, look, I'm going to say this for all the Yeezy shoes. All the Yeezy shoes are super comfortable. Because of the chunky sole, I feel like, you know, you've got really good support for your foot, and the adiprene is beautiful. The pricing wise, resale price, these come in again around a similar price of £300. I haven't seen these shoes drop for a long time, so I don't know whether it's worth waiting or just paying resale price, because I have no idea when these will drop. I don't think they're as popular as the 350s, so who knows when Adidas and Yeezy are going to drop these again. And again, sizing wise, you definitely need a 0.5 size up for these to fit beautifully. So next we have the Yeezy 700s, and I got this in the colorway Mauve. Again, I picked these up in 2018. You may have seen the Wave Runners, which are kind of like the white versions of these, which I guess are the kind of classics of the Yeezy 700s. But yeah, I got these. They're kind of like browny purple, and they've got neon yellow like pops here in the midsole. Now let me tell you, I don't know if I could even show you, I have got holes coming in because I wear these nearly every single day. I don't know what it is about this shoe, because instantly when you look at this colour, I feel like, you know, I'd say maybe there's better colourways, but no, I actually adore this shoe. This is, I know I just said I wasn't going to do them in order because they're all my favourites, but this shoe I wear like anywhere. Like I literally wear them anywhere. I find them so comfy. I don't know if it's just like the silhouette is just kind of, it's simple, but obviously it's not. Again, you've got like mesh going on, you've got suede going on, you've got like different tones. As you can see, you've got the 3 stripes, which are quite subtle. These also have the boost technology as well, which make them super comfy. They've kind of got normal laces. I can't pinpoint what it is about this shoe, but I just know that I love it. I feel like it's more sturdier than all the other shoes, like the 350s. I also really like the sole of these. You can actually see like the foam boost as well through the holes, which are quite cool. I just feel like this is a sturdy shoe. It's obviously got the chunky sole, and I feel like the material is good. I even went for like a muddy walk the other day, hence why they're a bit muddy. And you know, like they come out looking strong, like a little clean, and they still look really good. So these came out in 2018. There was actually just a Yeezy day, I think it was either a week ago or 2 weeks ago, and they re-released the Wave Runners. They also have like version 2s of these. They're always making new colorways again, so I feel like these are some shoes that you could potentially see in the future. Not this colorway, but obviously the silhouette, I feel like they will definitely keep bringing back. In terms of colorways, there are some really nice colorways. There's like an all black pair, I think it's the MNVNs, which are really nice as well, which I do like, but they have the 700. They have the 700 here instead of like the 3 stripes, whereas I kind of prefer these because I feel like they're more subtle. Like I don't feel like I need the 700 on the side panel. But yeah, I'm not sure if this colorway will come back. So yeah, if you were looking for resale prices, please bear in mind when I say about resale prices, this is only for like my sizing, so it depends what size you get, kind of differs in price. But again, repeating myself, 0.5 size bigger and they fit perfectly. I picked these up in a 7.5. So my next trainer is actually a boot. These are my Yeezy desert boots, and I got this in the colorway oil. Firstly, I feel like these shoes are like massively slept on. I really never see a lot of people wearing them, and I guess it's because they're not really like a trainer, like they are literally the boot. But that is literally why I love them. They are so chunky. They've got the really chunky midsole. Obviously in terms of upper, very similar to the Yeezy 500s. They've got the suede and the mesh. This colour is, I guess it's a brown colour, and then you've got the brown laces. They do really nice colorways in this. I think I do want to pick up, there's like a tan colour, which is so beautiful. I really do like this tongue tab, which is reflective as well, which goes kind of all the way to the toe box. Overall, I think it's just such like a good looking chunky boot. And I feel like honestly like more people should own these shoes. In terms of the sole, you've kind of got a normal sole. It's nice that they've got an Adidas logo there actually. These I feel like I can wear in like winter as well. With some of my trainers I feel like are very like summer trainers, like the Yeezy yellow 500s I've got are very, obviously they're yellow, so I feel like they're summer vibes. These I can wear in like summer and the winter. I probably don't wear these as much as the rest of my shoes because they are chunky, they are really heavy. But I honestly think that they are just so underrated. These actually came out in 2019, but I only recently picked them up, I think maybe last year. So in 2020 I picked them up because they're still selling them for some reason. I don't think, you know, many people like these as much as the normal trainers, but for me, I just feel like they are literally the perfect boot. So yeah, as I said, they are a heavy boot, so maybe they're not the most comfortable out of all the Yeezys, but still they are pretty comfortable for like a chunky boot. Got the Adidas Yeezy Ortholite, so you know, they are comfy because they are a Yeezy. I just feel like all Yeezys are comfy, but because they are chunky and heavy, I feel like that is a disadvantage. But you know, no pain, no gain because they look stunning. One thing that Yeezy never ever fails me with is the comfortability. The Boost technology, the Adiprene technology is just beautiful. They are more comfier than Jordan's Dunks. Most of the Nike shoes, they are more comfier than. And that is why when I kind of go to an everyday kind of shoe, I usually go to my Yeezys because I just feel like they're so easy to put on. They're super comfy. Like I can do anything in them. Like if I'm going for a walk to the shops, like anything, I literally always go for my Yeezys. Resale price is like a bit different. I think I'd only pay resale if I was like in love with the like colorway. Otherwise I think I'd wait for like the next silhouette drop, as they can be quite pricey for resale. But yeah, let me know what your guys favorite Yeezy is and favorite colorway in the comments below. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope you all have a great day and I'll see you soon.